Hey guys, if you're like me and you travel for work, you know that how your productivity drops when you're only working off your laptop screen. That's why this next product is perfect. I just received this portable monitor. This is a 17.3-inch monitor, really high quality. You can use it for work or gaming, whatever you want. For me, it's easy to use it for work. You can hook it right up to your computer and get going. This, of course, is going to give you a user guide, which I love. It's packaged really nicely in here, so it's going to be protected. Let's get it out and take a look. This is a plug and play, no drivers are required. Look how big this screen is, really nice. You've got a stand at the bottom here that folds down, allowing you to set it there. You've got two USB-Cs and a mini HDMI. And then you've got some headphone jacks, power, and settings on this side. In this box, you're going to have the cords. So it comes with all of the cords you can need. USB-C cords, as well as a HDMI to mini HDMI. And it even comes with a wall plug if you need it. What I will use is a USB-C to USB-C because this can transfer power and video, so you only need one cord. Let's get the laptop on the desk here, plug it in, and see how it looks. Okay, as you can see, I've got it hooked up here. It's a huge screen. The display is really nice. Mouse is here, and it just flawlessly goes and works great. You can do anything you want, type, hook up, everything. Beautiful way to get a lot of work done. You can see very, very nice quality display. It is lightweight, it's portable, and perfect for those on the go. So not only can you connect it to be a portable monitor, but it can also be wireless. So you can set up your Wi-Fi and connect that way. You can also do Miracast and Apple screen mirroring. One cool thing too is when you are doing that, you turn this sideways, it automatically changes to fit based on how you're operating it. And when you are connected via the cord, the USB-C, it does have 2.5K resolution, so very high quality. And I love that this is a wireless display. That's why you can charge it up. I'm not even connected to power. As you can see, it's got a built-in battery, so it can be completely wireless. Okay, it also supports screen mirroring. You can see my iPhone there on the screen wirelessly. And again, just like before, it goes full screen when you turn it sideways. So it is smart like that. You can be up to 10 meters away and it's still going to connect. So if you're in the market for a high quality portable display, make sure to check this one out. 17.3 inches, high quality, beautiful, lightweight travel display. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching.